Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make samosas. Does this need any introduction? I don't think so. Everyone's favorite crispy samosa. Let's get started. Let's start with making the filling. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seed, fennel seed, curry leaves and finely chopped ginger, green chilies and hing. Cook it for 1 minute. Now add finely chopped onions. Mix everything together and cook the onion till it changes its color to light brown. Adding salt at the beginning reduces the cooking time. You can notice now the light brown color of the onions. Add coriander powder, garam masala, amchur and red chili powder. Mix to combine it. Let it cook for 1 minute. Now we will add finely chopped tomatoes. Let this cook for a couple of minutes. Till then, boil the potato until it's done. Peel the skin and then mash the potato and set it aside. Add mashed potato in the mixture. Mix it well and let it cook for more couple of minutes. Mix it well to combine. Add few coriander leaves in the mixture and again mix it well. I have added few raisins and chopped cashews. This is optional. Once it's all well incorporated, remove pan from the heat and let the filling cool down a bit. Now, making of samosa dough. To a large bowl, add flour, ajwain, salt and mix it well. Add hot oil in the mixture and start mixing. Rub the flour with the oil until the oil is well incorporated in all of the flour. Do this for 3 to 4 minutes. You don't need to rush this step. Once it's incorporated, the mixture resembles crumbs. Press some flour between your palm. It should form a shape, means oil is enough and well. Now start adding water little by little and mix it to form a stiff dough. It should just come together and form a stiff dough. I have used 6 to 7 tablespoons of water here. Start working on a piece of dough. Keep the remaining dough closed with a moist cloth or else the dough will dry out. Now roll one dough ball into a circular oval kind of shape around 6 to 7 inches in a diameter and then cut it into 2 parts. Now take one part and apply water on a straight side. Bring two ends together and pinch them to form a cone. Pinch the pointed ends to make it a perfect cone shape. Fill the samosa with the potato filling around 1 to 2 tablespoons. Don't overfill the samosa. Apply water all around the circumference of the cone as we have to seal it. Pinch the opposite side. Now pinch the edges and seal the samosa properly. This process is bit tricky but easy. If you want, you can pause the video, rewind it and watch it again. Samosa is now ready. Heat the oil in a kadai on a low heat. Drop the shaped samosa into the oil. Your samosas are ready. Happy eating!